Big news for Call of Duty fans. Warzone Mobile is powering down and you need to know what's happening. This is GadInsider. Stick with us for the full scoop. Activision just dropped a bombshell. Call of Duty Warzone Mobile is shutting down on smartphones. Why? And what does it mean for players? Let's dive in. On May 17, 2025, Activision announced that they're pulling the plug on Warzone Mobile. As of May 18th, you can't download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play anymore. Why? According to their post on X, the game hasn't met expectations with mobile-first players the way it has on PC and console. They're proud of bringing an authentic Call of Duty experience to mobile, but it didn't just click with the mobile crowd. Tough break, right? So what's next for Warzone Mobile players? If you've already got the game installed before May 19th, you're in luck, you can still play. Servers will stay up for online matchmaking, and cross-progression with shared inventories will keep working for your existing content. But here's the catch. No new seasonal content, no gameplay updates, and no social features across platforms. Oh, and you can't buy anything with real money anymore. Plus, don't expect refunds for unspent COD points or past purchases. Activision's made that clear. This move shows how tough it is to crack the mobile gaming market. Warzone Mobile was a bold swing, but it didn't land like Activision hoped. They're now streamlining the scope, focusing on PC and console where the game's a massive hit. It's a reminder that not every game can dominate every platform, even a giant like Call of Duty. So Warzone Mobile's days are numbered. But if you've got it, you can still squat up for now. What do you think about this shutdown? Are you bummed? Or is mobile gaming not your thing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Want the latest gaming and tech news? Smash that subscribe button and join the GadInsider crew. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing.